Convocation, everyone. Go ahead, give yourself a round of applause for getting up so early. 9:30.
Uvlalomi, good day. It's a new backword for good day. Yung sa kayubi kang si Juan Lucy, kung mayupius dun at kayari, sibo kamunti ko nga sibo nga mo, ay marab ka ng mga talikaw nga. We want to acknowledge the first people of this land, in this area. They are the Alaskans, the Dena'ina people. The word Dena'ina translates into the people. So the Dena'ina people have been here for thousands of years, so we thank them for allowing us to be here on their land today. And we honor and respect the Alaskan people. We need to take care of each other, respect each other, uplift each other when we need them. Let's make this a great year. I'm very excited to start school because I love school. And when the professor says write a 10-page essay, yes!
My recommendation for the freshmen who are starting now and for all the APU students and maybe even staff and faculty, I really like this quote from Wendell Berry. It says, "Be like the fox who makes more tracks than necessary, some in the wrong direction."
On behalf of the faculty and staff of APU, welcome to Convocation and the start of a new academic year. We've been working hard to prepare for today, and for the new students and families that we have here today. It might be reassuring to you to know that despite how many times we've done this over and over, we feel the same way. We're excited, we're a little bit nervous, we're not 100% ready, but we are prepared, and you are prepared. You have done a lot of hard work to get here today, and we want to acknowledge that. Convocation is particularly important because this gathering of students, faculty, staff, board members, alumni, friends, and family reminds us that in a world that often prizes individual achievement, at APU, learning is a community activity. I want you to remember this convocation. Remember the people who have prepared the past for your success. Remember the upper class students who showed up to welcome you here. Remember the faculty and staff who are excited that you're here and are confident both in your ability and in the transformative power of education. Think about the people, some of whom are here with you now, who were there before you came to college and who are there with you on your journey during college and after. Learning is a community activity. Convocation helps us remember that, and that's why it's important that we do. So thank you for coming. Thank you in advance for what you will contribute to this learning community, and have a great year.